Timber Press and Workman Audio present A History of the Human Brain, From the Sea Sponge to CRISPR, How Our Brain Evolved, by Bret Stetka. Read by Pratt. The brain is a world consisting of a number of unexplored continents and great stretches of unknown territory. Santiago Ramon y Cajal. I was taught that the human brain was the crowning glory of evolution so far, but I think it's a very poor scheme for survival. Kurt Vonnegut. Prologue. Back in May of 2015, I spent a week in Canada reporting from the American Psychiatric Association's annual meeting. While strolling the halls of the Metro Toronto Convention Centre at what I recall being one of those inhumanely early hours during which only doctors and shift workers exist, I came across a mob scene that would become a touchstone in my writing of this book. A crowd had gathered to attend the meeting's yearly Food and the Brain session, featuring a summary of the latest data on how what we eat influences our mental health. I angled my way through the crowd to witness Columbia University psychiatrist Drew Ramsey handing out raw oysters. Watching a queue of shrinks dribble brine down their beards before dawn was unsettling. The rest of the presentation was anything but. For 3 hours, Ramsey and psychiatrist Emily Deans expounded on the ways our diet influences our brain health and mental state, and how through millions of years of evolution, what we ate and how we sourced and prepared our food was critical in shaping our most fantastic organ. As an MD turned health and science journalist, I knew from years of medical training and neuroscience research that certain dietary patterns were good or bad for brain health, but I'd never really considered them from an evolutionary standpoint. The talk left me curious about the influences that shaped our brain's development. Omnivorism was crucial to our survival. A varied diet meant we could adapt to shifting food supplies brought on by climate change. If a warm spell dried up the fruits of the forest, subterranean tubers on the plains would suffice. Some believe that seafood helped save our species, when early Homo sapiens learned to gather and crack open shellfish along the coasts of Africa, hence Ramsey's oysters. And just about all scholars on human evolution agree that if it weren't for meat...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?